Hi friends, how you doing? Today I just want to quickly talk about this fantastic tool for Windows that I use for more than 10 years, which is called File Rename Basic. It's from a coder called Chirod, a company, but this little piece of software is not more maintained. So there is a free version, which is really fine, and a paid one. I don't use the paid one. It's okay. I got everything I need with the basic free version, and you can still find this one on the internet. If you Google File Rename Basic Chirod, you will find different places to download this lovely piece of software. So I mainly use this one to rename my files or renumber my files when I did some mistakes. So here I did three mistakes. I didn't take care about my rendering from Octane Render standalone, and my file names are wrong. They are named from the node and not from the scene, and there is this little _1 at the end. And I also have two sections here with the beauty files and another files with the cryptomate geometry, which is something that looks like this actually. So first things first, I will separate those two series of files into two folders. So the first one will be called beauty png, and the second one will be my crypto png. Well, let's call it cryptomate. All right. So first I will separate my two series of files here. The beauty is gonna go to beauty, and the cryptomate files are gonna go to the cryptomate png folder. So now let's go to beauty png. I'm gonna just copy the folder path, Control C. I will start File Rename Basic from my Windows Start menu. Here it is. Just need to paste the path name here at the top. Okay. And here are the files contained inside this folder. So I'm sorry, I cannot change the size of the list here. I hope it's not too small. First of all, I need to replace or to remove the _1 at the end. So I'm gonna go on the tools at the bottom, go to the Find Replace tool, and I will find the _1, and I'm gonna use the dot to be sure that it's the _1 which is at the end of the file. So actually I'm searching for _1 dot, and I'm gonna replace this with a dot to keep the dot in place. Now clicking on preview, you can check what will happen here on the second column of the list, and it looks good. So now I can click on apply, and all files have been renamed. They've changed here on my folder, and they have changed here on my list. I can also rename the files. So if they are sorted, let's say I'm gonna sort the file names by I'm gonna sort the list by the file name, and I can move back to file name properties and say, well, include the file name. You can keep the file name unchanged or set a custom file name. So I'm gonna set a custom file name because actually I'm gonna copy the previous version of the name from my version where is this? Yeah, for my version 9, and I'm gonna set it to V version 10 beauty satellite underscore. Well, you can I don't know why the separator is here, because you can only well, I think it's easier to set the separator at the end of the name, so I don't need this one. My separator is here at the end of the name with an underscore, and you can renumber your files. So actually they start at 350, but you can say, well, let's renumber the files starting from 1, incrementing by 1, and with a mask set to, let's say, 5 zeros. So you have a preview here at the bottom, and there is the extension that you can leave and change, or set your custom extension. If I just click on preview now, as you can see, the first file 350 will be renamed to the file number 1 with the 5 digits. So in fact, it's not what I want. I want the numbers to be the same with 4 digits. So preview again. Is this okay? Yes. So I just need to apply, and to show you how quick it can go, let me rename the Cryptomate files. Okay, the list is loaded. I'm gonna find replace, remove the _1, preview. Is this okay? Yes, it is. Apply. I'm gonna copy my old file names from the version 9. So here it is. It was called multi-sat, and the numbers are okay. So preview multi-sat. So let me just add a multi cryptomate _sat _ and the numbering, preview, and now it's okay. So I just click on apply, and everything's fine. Just need to move my files to the original folder, and now I can remove those 2 empty folders, and here are my files correctly named. I hope that you will adopt this little piece of software for Windows, which, let me remember you, it's called File Rename Basic from Cheryl. Actually, there are no more Shirot company website, but this little piece of software is still available on the internet. Thank you very much. See you soon. Like the video, dislike. Give me a comment if you need with a question. I will try to answer. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.